I've had this amazing heart in my stash for so many years, and I'm going to use it today because it's perfect, because it's going to stand up on its side. I got this idea from Emily at Burlap Kitchen. I think she actually did a kit. So you see I put some letters up there in the corner. I drew a very rough snowman, and I'm going to paint it with regular white acrylic paint. I'm going to use a really wide brush for this and paint in my wonky snowman. It's so cute when I'm done. I love it. Once I get my snowman done, I'm going to take a little pouncy brush from Dollar Tree and pounce over those words, and then I just go over the whole rest of this to make my background for my snowman. I go very carefully around the edge, but y'all, I fill it in with a brush in a minute to sharpen those edges and make it look much better. Once it's dry, I'm going to go in and touch it up a little bit, put some white in there. I do the edge as well off camera to make it look more cohesive. Now I'm going to get a little tool, weeding tool, and I'm going to pull those letters up to reveal the wood background. I'm going to change that in a little while, but for now it's going to look like this. Once I get my letters pulled up, I sand it down just a tad to make it smoother. And now I'm going to start building my snowman. This is a shim. I cut a nose out of that on the thin end with my wire cutters, and then I paint it with terracotta color, and I use hot glue to glue it into place after I put some details on it. Then I just painted little dots on for eyes. Y'all, if you like bigger eyes, make bigger eyes. This is a piece of rusty wire for his mouth. I glued that on. And for the scarf, I used some ripped fabric. I cut it down and put it around the edge. And then I put a knot in another strip and put that knot right at the edge. Isn't this so darn cute already? Next, I'm going to put a heart on. This came from my stash. I painted it the same color as the scarf. It's hard to see that. It kind of looks black. For the snowflakes, I have Posca pens. The tip is very thick. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, so I just did one first. I like it, so I'm going to do all my snowflakes in different sizes all over the rest of my heart until I'm happy with it. I do go up onto the edge as well, since it's going to be sitting up. Once I get all my snowflakes done and dry, I decided to go in with a black marker to color in Let It Snow. I touch up the eyes, and now I'm going to make some buttons with some black paint and a tiny brush. Once I get my buttons painted on and dry, I put little white dots in the center to make them look like buttons. I'm using a dowel, the tip of a dowel. So cute. Now I'm going to use that same dowel to highlight all the darker pieces. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of white or brown paint rather to go around the whole thing. All around the snowman and the heart. Once that's done, I sand it down just a tad. And then that's it. It turned out so cute, y'all. This is sitting up on the edge of my fence right now, just for the video, to show you that it sits up. But how stinking cute is this? Oh my gosh, Emily, thanks for the idea. Go check her out, Emily at burlapkitchen.com. Have a great day. Let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to water the vine, and I will see you next time.